Salad turnips, especially the Hakurei turnips, are one of the most rewarding crops you can grow in the garden. They are fast, reliable, and are known for their smooth texture, mild, slightly sweet flavor. Now to me, they taste like a cross between a radish and an apple. Even though they are easy to grow, many gardeners are usually unsure exactly when to harvest them to get the best quality. So some harvest too early and they end up with small roots, and then others wait too long and they lose their tenderness that makes the salad turnip so unique. In a less work garden system, success comes from learning simple visual signals that you can harvest at the right time without guessing. So Hakurei turnips grow quickly in healthy soil with consistent moisture, and unlike storage turnips, they are meant to be harvested young and tender. You can eat them raw like a radish or cook them like a potato, mashed or fried. So here are the key signs to tell you that your salad turnips are ready to harvest. Number 1, size at the soil surface. As a turnip matures, the top of the root will begin to push up above the soil line. And for Hakurei turnips, the ideal size is usually about 1 to 2 inches across. At this stage, they are smooth, tender, and at peak quality. Number 2 is smooth, firm roots. So the roots should feel firm and solid with clean, smooth skin. If the surface begins to look rough or overly thick, it can be a sign that the turnip is moving past its ideal stage. Number 3 is balanced leaf growth. So the leaves should be healthy and upright, but not overly large compared to the root. So when the plant starts putting more energy into the leaf growth than root development, it can be a sign that the harvest window is passing. So the most important thing to understand is that salad turnips are not meant to stay in the ground for long periods of time. Their quality is highest when they are harvested young. There's a short window when they are especially sweet and tender, and missing that window even by a little bit can change the texture and the flavor more than people actually expect. So now here's something that most gardeners don't realize. It can make a big difference in how you use your harvest. Just like radishes, you don't have to leave all your turnips in the ground until you're ready to eat them. Go ahead and harvest them at their peak, trim off the tops, wash the roots, and store them in a container in the refrigerator. When you trim off the leaves before storage, the roots stay firm longer. So handled this way, salad turnips can stay fresh for several weeks. I've stored mine for over 4 weeks and they're still good to eat. And there's one part of the plant that most people overlook, even though it's just as valuable as the roots, is the leaves are excellent cooking greens. So you can steam them or saute them. I like to cook mine in avocado oil with garlic. So when you harvest at the right time and use the whole plant, salad turnips become one of the easiest and most productive crops in the garden. If you want gardening to be easy, fun, and productive instead of frustrating and uncertain, it's time to learn the abundance garden system that we use here on the farm. Go ahead and download the free guide, Grow More Food with Less Work, the 8-step abundance garden system, and you can find that in the description below.